Okay, so this is how we're going to find the melody of Mary Had a Little Lamb. First of all, I'm going to orient myself by playing the first chord in the song. Mary had a little lamb. So now I'm kind of oriented. Now I'm going to start singing, Mary. Now, we have to find the melody note by note. That means some words we might have 2 or 3 syllables, and each syllable might have a different note. So this gets very precise. So our first word is Mary, 2 syllables. Mary. Can you hear how Mary? Those are 2 different notes. Mary. So what I want you to do is hum. Go, Mayor, Mayor, Mayor. I'm going to go, Mayor of Easttown, Mayor of Easttown. Mayor. Now, I'm going to tell you, give you a hint. All the melody is going to be on the A string. It's going to be one of those notes in that C scale that we just did. So, la, 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 la. See if you can find that note. La,
E
la,
and
la,
then
la.
D.
It's an
E,
E.
C.
I heard you. An E and then a D. Good. And this is trial and error, you guys. This is just going down into the gold mine and digging for gold. Mary had, what is it? Had. Unmute yourself and tell me what it is. What are you finding? Mary.
C.
C. Had a
D.
D. A little lamb. Now, can you hear little lamb? That's all the same note. Little lamb. What note is that, darlings?
E.
E.
Yeah.
Now, there are various ways of picking this note. I'm using my ring finger because I go into a finger picking position, but you can use your thumb. So let's try that again. So as far as we've gotten it so far, so 2, 3, 4, E, D, C, D, E, E, E. Let's do it again. 2, 3, 4. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. Okay. Little lamb, la, la, la. What note?
D.
D. Good. Little lamb, little lamb. Okay. What is that?
E.
E.
E to G.
Little lamb. You're right. G. See, we're going up and down the fretboard here. Now we repeat most of that motif again. C, D, C, D, E, E, E. Whose fleece? What note?
D.
D. Fleece was la la. What note?
E.
It's a D. Fleece was then white. White, white. E,
E.
D, C.
C.
Now, let me, I'm going to stop this